Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din and today I'm going to cook this delicious chicken and papaya curry with some pillar rice and some lentils and also some dal pakoras. Now this is going to be a special video because I have Jürgen and Olga from Germany who have booked our apartment and staying over the Christmas period, and before they came they made a request to me if they could have a cooking lesson. So who better to teach them than Chef Din himself. So I'm going to teach them how to cook a nice rice dish, as you can see, and a dal and a chicken dish. I'm going to use a green papaya from my trees. Actually, I've got loads of papayas grown on my trees in the garden, and I'm going to teach them how to cook all these dishes and how easy it is. Now all these dishes you'll find on my channel, so you can cook them as well. And Johan is a very keen cook, so I can see why he wanted to have this lesson, and I'm going to show him exactly how easy it is and all the different spices I use. So it's a perfect opportunity for him to learn as well, and I'm more than pleased to show him because I love cooking and it's my passion, as they say. And so without any further ado, I'm going to just carry on and show them all the different things I need to show them. What I'm trying to explain is that when you temper lentils, it completely changes the flavor, and it's so easy to do as well. Just a little bit of garlic and some cumin seeds, kind of cooked until the garlic turns light brown, and then you just pour it into the lentils and it completely changes the flavor of the lentils, and it's quite amazing really. So you find all this on my channel. You find it on the dal recipe, so give it a go, and you see how easy it is to cook my recipes because it's step by step. You don't need to get a recipe book or anything like that. Just watch my video and you see how easy it is. Watch it a couple of times before you start and get all your ingredients ready. Now remember the taste, because we're going to completely change the taste now. Yes? Yeah, by just doing this. Okay. What I'm doing here is doing a temper of garlic and cumin seeds in some ghee, and then I'm going to just let it cook until lightly brown and add that to the lentils, which will completely change the flavor. This is a dal pakora I'm getting ready as well. They're very easy to make and absolutely delicious. Not many ingredients. What I've used here is a little bit of turmeric, salt, onion, chili, a little bit of cumin seeds, a little bit of nigella seeds, and lentils, which I've soaked overnight and blended them into a paste and just added that to the onion mix, and basically that's it. No other binding ingredients at all, no eggs or flour or anything like this. This is so natural and very, very tasty. If you haven't tried it, try it. Good. Right, we're ready to plate up and serve this delicious meal. It didn't take too long, a little bit longer than normal because I'm teaching these guys how to cook, and I'm sure they will enjoy this. This will serve at least 4 to 6 people comfortably, and they will enjoy, I can guarantee it. These are my dal pakoras. They are delicious, so you must try it. So let's hear what they have to say.
Fantastisch.
Fantastisch.
Ja. Delicious.